So it does get to a point where you kind of feel like it's not progressing, and it doesn't feel, or it doesn't even look like it's combining. At this point, we are going to be bringing that dough out onto the table, and we will do a little bit of partial kneading just to bring it together. We don't want to overwork the dough, so we're just going to kind of do our best to bring it together quite quickly and get all the dry ingredients together. Definitely can smell the fragrant spices. What I like to do with the spices before I put them in the dough is just toast them on a low heat for about 2 minutes, and that is really going to bring out all the aromatics of the spices. So if you have a bit of extra time, you can do the same thing. So you can see it's starting to come together. I'm kind of just rolling and folding the dough against the counter. Hopefully about a minute, and it's all coming together quite nicely. All right, I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to roll it now into a round. And we are going to be chilling the dough. Again, you can make this ahead of time. So absolutely, you can do this the morning, leave it in several hours in the fridge. You could do it the night before, no problem. But definitely it needs 2, maybe even 3 hours in the fridge before you shape it.